All right, what's going on today? Hey, yesterday I did a video and I was like, it's March. It's not March, it's May. I'm tripping. So, good morning. It's March 30th. On March, see, there I go again. It's May. It's May. It's about to be June. I said March. I got messed up. But yeah, it's May 30th. 6:09 in the morning. Just to get the day going, quick little workout, nothing crazy. I'm gonna do 10 sets. I'm only gonna record 5. Man, it was hard for me to sleep last night because you see that? I took a pretty hard fall. A few days ago on the skateboard, man. Messed up my wrist, my hands swollen and whatever. I probably shouldn't be working out, but it's like it doesn't even feel right. It don't even feel right not working out. But we're just gonna do light, nothing crazy. The usual, some push-ups, some dips, and some pull-ups. And after the push-up, I'm gonna do some squats. So let's go. Let's do it. I'm only gonna record 5 sets. I do 10, but let's go. Yeah, so it was a little tough last night sleeping because every time I want to turn, right here, ribs, it's hurting. But we're good, we're okay. Woke up a little better. My wrist still, I can't go down. Too much pressure, like when I go down on a push-up position. But I feel better today. You gotta be cautious. Be cautious of like the things that you let in. Don't let other people's words, they're just words. But they can be very dangerous if because if you take it the wrong way, those words then become spells, So just be careful. Don't watch negative things. You know, the same old, man. Stay sharp. You know, learn something different. You know, switch it up. You know, get out of those routines. I've been out here since like 5:40, but I've been like taking my time, stretching out. I'm hurt, bro. Taking my time, stretching out, and like really warming up really good because I don't want to injure myself any more than I'm already injured. All right, chin up grip, chin up grip. Yesterday I did a really good fast. I did a 25-hour fast and then a home cooked meal. You know, I did some chicken thighs with some tomato, some green chili, and some onion. You know, I had some strawberries. What else? I had some cucumber with lime and salt. You know, just clean stuff. You know. So yeah, so that was the last set. I trained fasted. I'm gonna go throughout my day fasted. Just water and like salt in my water, different salts in my water, you know, for electrolytes. And yeah, man, I mean, look, the information is out there. It's not hard, man. It's not hard. But like, I get it and I understand that we are like so accustomed and so used to eating the poison that they got out there for us. It's so used to pull into that gas station and go buy that poison. You know what I mean? That alcohol. It's so easy nowadays to pull into that booty dispensary and buy that poison, bro. Stay clean out here, man. Stay clean. And don't get me wrong, I'm not perfect. We all gotta start somewhere. I'm not perfect. I'm not trying to say I'm perfect or anything. I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't do drugs. And but if there's something that you want to do in life, like get off of those things, trust me, you can. You can. You just gotta be fit up here. Get fit up here. Work out your most important muscle, which is your heart. You know, stay good, stay positive, stay low. You know, under the radar, get your money and enjoy your family and enjoy the time you got. Manage your time. Manage your time. You know, don't sit around on that phone. You know, there's a lot of things that you could be doing. You could just be walking, something, getting some fresh air. The phone and all that, all they promote is negativity, you know. So find a way to find positive videos, informative videos. And but yeah, you guys have a good day. Stay clean and stay active. Work out, you know, get some sun. The sun ain't bad. People want to be like, oh, it's hot, like try to like, man, no, it's not, bro. No, it's not. You guys have a good day. All right, peace out.